Let's go across to UP now, where a top BJP leader in West UP's Bulandshahr has been photographed handing out a certificate to a man accused of conspiracy in the murder of a police officer in mob violence that took place in the western UP in 2018. Alok Pandey has the details.
एक तो मुझे आज ही पता चला है कि वो शिखर अग्रवाल कोई किसी संस्था में बनाए गए। उन्होंने मुझे बुलाया, मैं तो वहाँ तक गया था। उस संस्था का भारतीय जनता पार्टी से कोई लेना देना नहीं है। वो किसका मनोनयन कर रहे हैं, क्या उनके क्रियाकलाप हैं भारतीय जनता पार्टी का, उससे कोई दूर दूर तक संबंध नहीं है उस संस्था का। पार्टी में आप देख रहे हो, यहाँ तो स्वच्छता की राजनीति की जाती है। तो ऐसे लोगों को, ऐसा सामाजिक तत्व या जिनके ऊपर कोई किसी तरह के केस हैं, हम तो उससे दूरी बना के वैसे रखते हैं।
Well, let us just first start off by looking at why this photograph is so outrageous. Now, in 2018, Inspector Subodh Kumar Singh, who was a police officer in Bulandshahr in West UP, he was brutally murdered. He was killed by a mob, and there were many grievous injuries on his body. Now, this incident had generated a lot of outrage, and among those who were arrested for the conspiracy was a Bajrang Dal member, and this person, Shikhar Agarwal, who used to be an office bearer of the BJP's Yuva Morcha, but was then sacked by the party. Now, he came out on bail last year, and since then he's been low-key, except for now this photograph of his surfacing with the BJP's district president, taken on the 14th of July, we are told, where he was handed a certificate by the BJP district president. Now the BJP in Bulandshahr is saying, after all the controversy, that we had nothing to do with that organization. Our district president was just there as a chief guest, and that he just merely handed out a certificate. But surely it is more than that. The BJP's top office bearer in that Western UP district, where an inspector has been so brutally murdered, handing out a certificate to one of the accused in that case, and then saying that, look, I had nothing to do with it. Now, of course, Shikhar Agarwal himself says that I am only an accused right now. My guilt has not been proven. That's correct. But this story had generated an immense amount of outrage, and there was another incident when this Shikhar Agarwal actually got bail. He came out, he was garlanded by people, and there was a celebration, and it has immensely hurt the family of the killed inspector, who questioned why these people got bail in the first place, and second, had appealed to the government to get their bails cancelled. That did not happen, and now you have a top BJP office bearer actually being photographed on stage with the same person. Though the party denies that it was not their forum, but if you look at the certificate that was handed out to him, the organization that actually did write out that certificate claims top BJP leaders as their mentors. If that is not the case, then why was the BJP district president actually sharing that stage instead of taking action against this organization? These are all disturbing questions for which we have no answers.